Peshawar High Court is at page 54. Part 1, my lord, page 54. Lord, this is the The operative parts, my lord, are from pages 55 to 64.
Which page you want to?
Page 54, the order begins, my lord. The commission notes that we intend to decide and dispose of the core issue of intra-party election of Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf, which has been challenged by the petitioners herein.
Where are you reading from? I can't find.
My lord, page 55.
55.
Your lordship will see under order. Ikramullah Khan member, through the instant single consolidated order, we intend to decide and dispose of the core issue of intra-party elections of Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf, which has been challenged by the petitioner herein on the one hand, and political finance wing of the commission has also raised numerous objections over the intra-party election of PTI allegedly held on 2nd of December 2023. On the other hand, briefly stated, facts leading to filing of instant complaints filed by petitioners are that the PTI, in pursuance of order of this commission dated 23rd November 2023, allegedly held intra-party elections on 2nd of December 2023. My lord, thereafter for the next 7 or 8 lines, they note that the finance wing of the Election Commission of Pakistan and other members of PTI raised objections. If your lordship will see after 7 lines, it says, on the other hand, thereafter, the alleged intra-party election of PTI, petitioners also filed various petitions in the shape of complaints, whereby they have raised serious objection over the alleged intra-party election, and all have raised a common objection that PTI has not conducted its intra-party election in accordance with the provisions of the PTI Constitution 2019, but have held the election in a clandestine and secret manner. No member was afforded an opportunity to contest the election, that neither any nomination papers, forms were issued, nor available with any office of PTI, that no notice in respect thereto holding of intra-party election was ever published in any daily newspapers or displayed on notice board of the main secretariat office of PTI. All the petitioners have common prayers that the PTI has not conducted its intra-party election, and the documents submitted before the commission are not based on reality, however made by some interested persons to avoid consequences of section 215 of Election Act 2017, and to get election symbol, that the directions rendered by this commission by order dated 23rd November 2023 is not complied with in letter and spirit. Therefore, the alleged intra-party election be declared null and void, and PTI be directed to hold intra-party elections strictly in accordance with PTI Constitution.
Now, can you take us to the different provisions which are mentioned here in the Constitution of the political party? The opportunity to contest elections, nomination forms if they are mentioned, notices, the manner of issuance thereof, if it's mentioned in the Constitution of the party.
The Constitution of the party. My lord, the Constitution of the party is at page 124. And these provisions which are relevant are also mentioned in the order of the Election Commission.
So we want to see the actual Constitution of the party.
My lord, the Constitution of the party is at page 124.
No, but these provisions particularly that have been mentioned by the Commission in its order.
If your lordship may graciously see page 136. Sorry, if your lordship may go back one more page. Page 135, Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf shall have the following organizations. Then the organizational structure is mentioned, and if your lordship may graciously be pleased to take a look at paragraph 9 on page 136.
Paragraph?
9 on page 136.
136.
Yes, my lord. A PTI Federal Election Commission shall be formed to conduct intra-party elections with a permanent secretariat. Then there are general provisions.
बड़ा अच्छा आइन बनाए, कौन सब चीजें इसमें तस्कराएं।
जी सर। Then there is a principle of collective.
आपको इनके आइन से कोई
No, sir.
मसला नहीं है।
The Election Commission's objection is that the elections have not taken place in accordance with this constitution.
अच्छा,
उनका परमानेंट सेक्रेटरीट किधर है जी, ऑफिस?
My lord,
पार्टी का मेन परमानेंट
my lord,
सेक्रेटरीट?
the Election Commission is dealt with.
नो, ऑफिस का जो परमानेंट सेक्रेटरी,
इनका कोई परमानेंट सेक्रेटेरिएट है
ऑफिस
या नहीं है?
Not that I
पार्टी
am
का,
aware
पार्टी
of.
का।
पार्टी का तो है सर।
वो किस जगह है? कुछ है, कोई कहीं तस्करा है उसका?
Not
इस्लामाबाद, इस्लामाबाद।
किस जगह तस्करा है इसका? नहीं, जरा बता देना किस पेज पे कहीं लिखा है ये हमारा
it's not specified in the
से वो
constitution.
कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बायलॉज में मुख्तलिफ होता है ना कि परमानेंट जो ऑफिस है पार्टी का,
इनके इनके
कहाँ है?
इनके जो वो हैं खतूत या इनकी नोटिफिकेशंस, उस पे लिखा है प्लॉट नंबर 1A,
जी, सर।
स्ट्रीट 32, सेक्टर G84, इस्लामाबाद।
Yes.
यही है
जी।
हेड ऑफिस जो है, मतलब
ठीक।
Then,
अच्छा,
then my
तो
lord,
ये जरा बताएं क्या प्रोसीजर क्या होता है इलेक्शन का? वो तो आपने बता दिया था कि वो इलेक्शन कौन कंडक्ट करेगा, अगर कैसे कौन, अगर कोई शख्स लड़ना चाहे, मेंबर, सिर्फ मेंबर लड़ सकते हैं इलेक्शन या कोई भी लड़ सकता है?
members.
पीटीआई के अपने?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
जी।
If your lordship takes a look at page 140, paragraph 5, internal party elections.
जी हाँ, ये बताइए।
Party elections shall be held in.
ये तो वो तरीकेकार आपने बताया था।
जी सर, इलेक्शंस चेयरमैन का किस तरह होगा ये सारा मेंशन है, एंड देन द इलेक्शंस ऑफ अदर ऑफिस।
अगर आपने कहा 5 साल, इधर तो उन्होंने लिखा है कि चेयरमैन के इलेक्शन हर 2 साल में होंगे, शिक नंबर 5(1)(3) और शिक नंबर 5(2)(1) कहती है कि बाकी ओहदेदार हर 3 साल में होंगे इलेक्शन। आप क्यों कह रहे थे कि हर 5 साल में होना चाहिए?
अंडर सेक्शन 208 ऑफ द इलेक्शन एक्ट